promote you look like a faggot. I can't big your mom or your grandma cause it's tragic. Your grandma's looking cute, kitchen wagon. Act like a dog for me, but the jet poop, so I bag it.
We need to do a blooper of this.
Boy, I love your grandma's booty.
Brett, what are you making today?
I am making an omelet. Two, I really like siblings, but only if they cutie. Today, we are going to be making an omelet on almost trying.
Hey, you don't. Wait, don't you have to spray something?
Yes, it will be a 4-egg omelet.
Brett's own.
Brett, what does your shirt say?
I am the grill daddy, as you can see. Grill daddy at your service, because I'm always daddy.
Okay.
The back here. Burger fan page.
Yeah, follow his socials. Link in the description.
And Brett Highburger on Instagram.
It's hard to miss.
So Brett, what first?
So we gotta spray this. Well, we gotta turn the thing on.
Okay, it's on.
The oven on, and then we gotta put the pan on, and then we gotta spray the pan so we make it lubricated.
Okay.
And the eggs do not stick on it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is where the good stuff happens.
Does the moaning have to happen too?
The moaning is what makes it intriguing.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Is that enough?
Oh yeah.
Nah, I don't think it's enough.
Nah, I think. Oh.
Okay.
It's always good to get your
You spray
aura
the pan, you spray yourself.
Yeah.
The almost trying to fit on.
So, as you see, we're going to be cooking eggs, but we gotta let the pan sit and get hot before we crack the eggs. So, we will come back when that time happens. Cut it.
Alright, we're back.
So, I don't
black?
know how to make an omelet, so instead we're going to be making fried eggs. Stop touching that. I don't like them.
Do you know how to crack eggs?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah, this is where the good stuff happens.
This isn't gonna be scrambled eggs, is it?
No, it's gonna be a fried egg.
No, don't you have to put the yellow in like a
How
thing
dare
and
you
mix it?
question? How dare you question
make,
this?
I'm making fried eggs, Will.
Okay. I thought you were making an omelet.
No, I don't know how to make an omelet. Oh, here we go.
Don't question the chef.
I will not question.
Alright, look at him get to work over there. Brett was made for the kitchen. Oh, okay, he's making it rain.
I'm almost dripping.
Almost dripping on almost trying.
I'm Brett's. I'm Brett's assistant.
Brett's an abusive cook.
I just don't like when people touch my stuff. Where's the salt and pepper? Where's the salt and pepper? Where's the salt and pepper at?
Pepper.
Oh, actually, I don't need no salt, just pepper.
What, you need salt?
No, you don't.
You do. Here's some of that.
Alright. Where's the rice at? Because you need rice with eggs. I don't need this.
Why not, dude?
Because you don't put salt on your eggs. Put the salt back.
You heard it here first. When you cook with a Highburger, you don't use salt.
Where's the rice
What about
at?
some cinnamon?
No. Where's the rice at?
What about garlic?
Where's the rice at? I need rice.
Brett, I think you need to pay attention to your eggs here.
Oh, crud.
You need to start mixing that.
Oh, yeah.
So. Okay, you gotta get it back on there.
Yo! Let's go!
You making fried eggs here?
Alright, it's time we put it on the plate.
I don't know where the
Brett, it's not done.
It doesn't matter, the yolk broke. It's time we get it on the plates. So here we go.
I
Alright.
thought we were making an omelet.
Will, shut the fuck up. Alright. Here we go.
Brett, that's a little hot there, don't you think?
I actually thought this was gonna take longer.
Are you gonna garnish it, or is that it?
Oh no,
You
watch,
seed it like
watch,
that.
watch.
It is time to eat.
No, it's not.
I need some hot sauce.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, I don't want this green sauce.
This is good.
Give me the right sauce. Thank you. Move.
Brett.
Give me a fork. Well,
I'm gonna get it.
I don't want no salt.
Okay. And what brand of hot sauce is this, Brett?
Yeah, show the camera.
Show the camera.
Cholula.
Dude, what about some red?
It is busted. I don't want no red pepper.
Hey yo.
What about some maple sugar?
Give me a fork to eat. Here we go. It is time to eat.
Hold it up to the camera. What did you make?
Show the camera,
I
Brett.
made eggs. The yolk broke, but we all good. This is busting.
God. So it busts?
Very.
What do you think would be the official rating?
Yeah.
As viewers, we want to know.
11 out of 10.
Really? So these are the best eggs you've ever made and
Yes.
eaten.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, is there anything important you want the viewers to know when you're making these Brett Highburger eggs?
Patience is key. with a little impatience.
What? To the house.
To the house. Very bussin'.
You gotta finish it all, Brett.
I know.
Brett.
Very good.
Oh, you're washing the plate?
Because I'm a respectful man.
Hey, yo. Brett.
He's gotta wash his mouth.
Oh, facts. What is your ideas on what to cook next? What will we expect from Brett?
I think it's time to cook some meat.
Meat? No, I mean for next video.
Oh. I think
Yeah, I think meat sounds.
I think meat, some ribs would be good. All right, that's it.
Do an outro.
Thank you guys for everyone watching.
All right, that's it.
No, Brett, you gotta shout out your Insta and everything.
Oh yeah, go follow me on Instagram, Brett Highburger, and that's it.
What about the fan page?
And go follow the Brett Highburger fan page, because somebody made a fan page about me. And go like my songs on SoundCloud at WJW180. See ya.
You gotta keep that apron on all day.
Yeah.
Joy, I love your grandma's booty.